What is up? What is up? So I just got this from B&H, and actually I didn't just really get it. It's been sitting here for about 2 days, and it's been really killing me. Now the reason why I haven't kind of got to it was for the simple fact that I haven't really had the time to kind of get to it, but I'm super excited to show you guys what I picked up. Now I went ahead and pulled the trigger on the Sony Ninja V5 4K recording monitor. I mean, this thing is super sick, and I'm gonna tell you guys why I picked this up. So I picked up a bundle. Now the bundle comes with the Ninja V, comes with the power kit. Let's go ahead and open this up real quick. So this is a power kit right here. I'll go ahead and show them that real quick. And then we got the battery bay, which is going to charge the batteries. Two 5200 milliamp batteries, which are going to be used with the Ninja V, which is dope that you have two and not just one, because batteries come super handy. And right here we got the power cable, which is going to power up the bay. And we also got a variety of different adapters that you can use for the power outlets. So that's the power kit right there. Now with that bundle, you're also going to get the Atmos SSD. Now I did go with the 500 gigabyte. I kind of wanted to go with the 1 terabyte, but I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and try this 500 gigabyte. And if I need more, then I'm gonna go ahead and just order me another one. So that's what that bundle comes with. You're gonna get the Ninja V, the SSD, and 2 batteries, which you know, it really comes in handy and it's really useful for you to have. Now that's all that you're gonna get with that bundle. Keep in mind that if you're thinking about ordering one, you're gonna need the HDMI cable, which is gonna hook up to the monitor into the camera. You're also gonna need a SATA adapter. So this is USB-C to SATA. So this is gonna go into the SSD into my computer in order for me to get the files off of the recording monitor, which is the Ninja V. So just keep in mind that if you're thinking about picking this up, you're gonna need a couple extra other things, not just this right here. So let me go ahead and open this up. Pretty cool box packaging. You got some of the, you know, some of the features, some of the accessories right here. You got a couple of, you know, what comes inside the box, a couple of other features and whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and put this to the side and open this bad boy up. I'm in so excited to try this out. And let me just, while I'm doing this right here really quick, let me tell you guys a couple reasons why I picked this up. Now, when you're out recording or doing whatever that you're doing, those little screens that comes on these DSLRs or cameras, they really don't do it justice. I mean, you really kind of need a little bit more screen real estate, and this is where this comes in handy. You get more of a better vision of what you're recording. And one of the coolest things is that it's also a recorder. So, you know, I'm able to record all my footage into the SSD attached to the monitor, which is pretty dope. I can pretty much remove it from the camera wherever I have it, play it back on the monitor, which is dope. I mean, it just makes everything a lot more fun and just a lot more easier. So this is, as soon as you open it up, you're greeted with the monitor itself. Really nice. Look at that. Really nice. You got two screw heads, one at the bottom, one at the top. Oh man, it would have been dope if we would have had one on the side, but we don't. We got the screen right here, 5-inch. Looks really nice. Atmos branding right here at the bottom. Here at the bottom we have two HDMIs, one out, one in. This is where your SSD is going to go in right here at the back. And you also have another slot, which is where you're going to put your battery, which is going to power on the device. But nonetheless, right out of the box, you got the power. Yes, you got the power button right here on the side as well. But right out the bat, this thing looks nice. Definitely feels and looks, you know, high quality. Ninja branding here at the top. So we're gonna go ahead and put this bad boy to the side. Let's see what else comes in here. Pull this up. We have, looks like some type of manual. Welcome to the Atmos family. Introduction right there. A couple inside little slots. We have a couple more stuffs. Go ahead and pull this out really quick. Bring it to the bottom. Shit. Okay, so we got the power adapter, which I'm assuming gives power to the actual monitor in case you need it and you don't have no batteries. I'll put this here because I don't want to mix it all up. And we also have, once again, some more adapters, you know, depending on what side of the world you're in. Put these back in here really quick. And this we have, I think this is the caddy, which is where you're gonna, I'm assuming that this is where the SSD is gonna go in here and then go into the Ninja V. And let me see what else comes in here. A couple more cables, I think. Let's see what this is. This is another adapter, which I think is to be used with I forgot what that thing's called. Let me go ahead and check the back real quick. So it comes with the master caddy, which I already showed you guys, the AC power supply, 12 volt AC power supply, and the quick start guide. I'm not exactly sure what this is for, but I'm assuming it's for something else that I didn't pick up. But I think that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. No other extra cables or anything like that. I think this is for the battery, but once again, I'm not. Yeah, I think this is for the battery, or something to do with the actual battery, or a dummy battery, or I don't know what it is, but I'll definitely figure it out. Once again, quick unboxing and quick first look, first impressions, hands-on, all that good stuff, you know. But I've been really excited to kind of open all this up and test it out and just show you guys, you know, my impressions on it. I'm super excited to test this out. I'm looking forward to playing around with it. It's definitely gonna help out a lot. I mean, it's a huge tool. If you shoot a lot of videos, you know, this is definitely something that, you know, you want to have, especially the simple fact that I'm able to record into the monitor is just super dope. And also a couple, I think 2 more features. Now I'm also I think it's also I'm also gonna be able to do when I'm auto face tracking on the Sony A7. I think that's another cool feature, because I think, if I'm not mistaken, you lose face tracking when you're shooting, I think 4K video or something like that. I'm not exactly sure, once again, guys, but you know, that's another cool feature. And then another reason why this really caught my attention is, you know, because I'm able to shoot in ProRes. So pretty much when I'm done with all my clips or whatever I'm doing, you know, it's gonna be a lot more lighter on my computer as well. So once again, fully featured. Make sure to be on the lookout for the full review. I'm gonna go ahead and play around with this. I'm really excited. And then, you know, any questions, leave them in the comments. I will report back with the full review, kind of get my hands dirty with this, play around with it, make sure, you know, I know how everything works and all that. For some reason, I was under the impression that, I was hoping that I was gonna get some type of screen protector with it, but I guess not. So you get no screen protector with this, which is, I don't know, it's kind of a little bit of a letdown. But it is what it is. I'm pretty sure I could get something to protect the screen. Oh, so really quick, I just read the manual. So let me see, where's that piece at? So this right here goes into the battery department right here, and you can pretty much connect your power supply, and you're able to juice up the monitor via the power supply that I showed you guys. So this is what this is for. So once again, guys, let me go ahead and set this up and report back. Make sure to check out the 2 latest videos. One more thing, I also made a new IG, link down in the video description. Thank you guys so much for all the support, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.